This is my reflection in chapter 6, which is leading. Um, Leadership is the ability to guide and inspire others to work together toward a common goal. It involves setting a direction, making decisions, and helping a group succeed. And as six important of leadership, the vision and direction, improve communication, passion, decision making, guidance, and commitment. They discuss also about motivation. Motivation is the reason why someone acts or works hard to achieve something. It's what gives people the energy and drive to do things. When employees are motivated, they are more likely to be engaged, productive, and commitment to their work. This contributes to improve performance, positive branding, and as motivation. And they mention about leadership theories. So far I know, leadership theories is a way to understand how and why people become good leaders. It explains the direct different style of skills and behavior leaders use to guide and influence others. These theories help us learn what makes a leader effective in different situations. Leadership theory has three majors. The behavioral theory, behavioral leadership theory looks what leaders to do, assume that other can learn and follow those same behaviors. Next is contingency theory. So the contingency leadership theory, also known as situation theory, focus on how the situation affect leadership but might not pay attention to the feeling of employee of the company culture. Lastly, in measures of leadership theory is management theory. The transaction the transactional leadership use rewards and punishment to manage employees and business manager often use this approach by rewarding workers for success and punishing them for three failures. The three major of leadership theories. So next is leader is nothing without communication. So we have leadership communication. It means how a good leader talks to their interact with their team and the company's leaders. And I learned so much about two types of organizational change: the adaptive changes and transformational changes. The adaptive changes are small changes that organization makes over time to meet new needs, and transformational changes is have a large scale and scope that adaptive changes. So why organizational change is important to the business? They said it allows employees to understand and commit to the shift and work effectively during it. So this is the lesson for chapter 6, which is leading. Thank you.